Talagang yung ano, sa
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
Buenos dias. Ay, buenos. Hindi umaga tsaka gabi. Nalimutan. Basta buenos.
Isa ang Calle Crisologo sa bucket list ng mga gustong puntahan ng aking girlfriend. And I'm so happy that I could be with her checking one of her bucket list. Ganyan!
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
Ginoo, saan ba tayo papunta? Kung saan?
Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can be.
So bago kami umalis ng vegan, full tank muna kami. Hindi natin kung hanggang saan nakabito. Wow, sinagad ni sir, 400. Thank you, man.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drive the chains, you can say no, free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drive the chains, you can say no, free me.
Ikaw yung vlogger na ano? Motovlogger sticker. Sir.
Sa hindi ko maipaliwanag na masamang hangin, may bumulong sa akin na parang magandang idea daw na dalhin ang aking motor sa mismong beach para mag-photo op. Kaya ayun, palahaw galore.
Wala nang ganito na lang.
Yan.
What's up everyone? Andito tayo ngayon sa La Union. Pero masyadong tao. Solong-solo. Ano na? Let's go!
A few moments later.